everyone, welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Vennela. Great news for all Telangana SET aspirants. The Telangana SET 2026 application process has officially started. If your dream is to become an assistant professor or lecturer, don't miss this opportunity. As early as possible, start your preparation today. We will discuss Telangana SET exam pattern, daily study timetable, time management strategy, last 1 month preparation plan, previous year questions, application process, preparation tips, and motivation for success. So let's begin. The TGSET application process has started. This exam is an excellent opportunity for candidates who wish to build a career in teaching and higher education. Don't wait until the last date. Apply early and begin your preparation immediately. Remember, every opportunity can change your future. In today's video, we will cover Telangana SET exam pattern, total marks and duration, study timetable, time management strategy, last month preparation plan, previous year question papers, finally step-by-step application process. By following these strategies consistently, you can improve your preparation and confidence. The Telangana SET consists of 2 papers. Paper 1, Teaching and Research Aptitude, 50 questions, 100 marks. The Telangana SET consists of 2 papers. Paper 1, Teaching and Research Aptitude, 50 questions, 100 marks. Paper 2, Subject Paper, 100 questions, 200 marks. 150 questions, 300 marks. Duration, 3 hours. No negative marking. Since there is no negative marking, attempt every question after careful thinking. A proper timetable is very important. In morning time, study new concept because your concentration is highest. In afternoon time, practice MCQs and solve numericals or conceptual questions. Evening time, revise what you studied and prepare short note. At night time, prepare paper 1 topics such as Teaching Aptitude, Research Aptitude, Reasoning, ICT, Communication and Higher Education. Every Sunday, write 1 full mock test and analyze your mistakes. Study around 5 to 6 hours every day. Follow these points. Study 1 subject at a time. Revise daily. Practice MCQs regularly. Take 1 mock test every week. Analyze mistakes and improve weak areas. Remember, consistency is more important than studying for long hours occasionally. The last 30 days are the most important. Focus on revision only. Previous year question papers, mock test, important topics. Improve speed and accuracy. Avoid starting completely new topics during the final month. Revision increases the confidence and improve your score. Previous year question papers helps you understand the exam pattern, identify repeated questions, improve confidence, manage time effectively. In my upcoming video, I will explain previous year question papers, important repeated questions. So don't miss those videos. Since the application has started, in the next video, I will explain the complete application process step by step. We will cover registration, filling the application form, uploading documents, fee payment, and finally submission. Watch the next video before applying. Follow these simple habits. Make short note, revise daily, avoid mobile distraction, stay consistent, practice questions every day. Small improvements every day create big success in the exam. Never miss an opportunity. Many students hesitate because of competition. Don't think about the competition. Think about your preparation. Apply for the exam. Prepare sincerely. Practice every day. Believe yourself. Today effort becomes tomorrow's success. In the coming days, I upload videos on complete Telangana SET application process, previous year question papers, subject-wise preparation strategy, important questions, mock test discussion. These videos will help you prepare effectively. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helps you plan your Telangana SET preparation in the right way. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Comment your subject and preparation stage. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Easy Chemistry by Vennela and press the bell icon for regular Telangana SET preparation videos. Remember, don't wait for success. Start preparing today. Stay consistent and success will follow. All the best for Telangana SET 2026.